Welcome to another Inspiration and Education, a series, featuring a breakdown of our Duets by Gemini line of engraving sheet stock. Just as there are multiple ways you use this substrate, you may have heard of them referred to in various ways such as modified acrylic or plastic. Today's episode we're going to be featuring the Duets Reverse Laser XT line. This is a smaller line coming in only one thickness, a 16th inch. This line comes in color options with a more contemporary feel and has a clear matte finish on the front. Reverse engraving on the colored side gives you a sharp contrast finish. Now let's cover some tips for personalization process. There will be a protective coating on both sides of your sheet when you receive them. You will want to note that the back is the gray side with the text on it. The solid color side is the front, in which you will place face down into your laser. Be sure to mirror your image before sending to your machine. We recommend doing all of your vector cutting first with the protective coating on both sides. This is going to protect from any flashback from your laser and help with a cleaner cut. After cutting out all my shapes, I'm then going to leave my sheet in exactly the same place and remove the back protective coating before rastering my text or image. Your engraving settings may vary slightly compared to your normal top cap sheet engraving, as you'll be looking through and essentially be seeing the back of your engraving. To help avoid seeing a smoky white or lines through your art, we recommend using 600 DPI, a fast speed, and mid power. Putting in an 1/8 inch out of focus also can help with those lines. Once engraved, you have a few options with this material. You can paint fill, backlight, or even add different substrates as backers. If you choose to paint fill specific areas, be sure to mask off any areas you don't want the color on. We use Rust-Oleum aerosol spray paint at JDS, but any paint made for plastic will work. Keeping the front protective coating on for this process also helps protect it from any overspray. You can view all of our options available for purchase on our website or give us a call at the number below to get your hands on some of this Reverse XT and make your mark.